Hi girls, so we're going to just do this little voice recording icon for homework there. Okay, so you've got all the circles up here at the top, which are cut at an angle of 30 degrees, but you have to start in the center point here and the center point here. Now if you look at the width of it, it's 40 millimeters, which means the semicircle at the top has a radius of 20 and a radius of 20 here, and the height difference between the two centers is 50 millimeters, we can see out here. So over in the space here, we'll start with that bit in the middle. Start low enough down on your page. I'm going to pick a point here. I'm going to measure up 50 millimeters as far as here. So all I've done is a line, and I've got the space between them as 50 millimeters. So I'll just zoom in there a little bit. Now, from there, I'm going to do a line left and right, and a line left and right. And starting off then, on my compass, I'm going to get a distance of 20 millimeters, so a radius I should say, sorry, of 20 millimeters, so from 22 to 20. I come on over here, put it on the center point, and draw this guy in. Come down to the center point below it, same thing. And that's the one below it. And then, to complete that little first section, just do a line up, there, and there. And now we've got that little section done inside here. Now, the next thing we're going to do is we're going to focus on the top portion. So, from the center point here, it goes off at a 30 degree angle, as you can see there on the left hand side, which means it's symmetric, so it goes off 30 degrees on the opposite side. So you go 30 degrees like this, and like this. Now you've got a series of radiuses starting at 35, 45, 55, 65, 75 and 85. So what we're going to do is we're going to get all those on our set square, starting with 35, on our compass. Starting with 35, using the same center here because it's concentric, and we're simply going to go like that. There's the 35. Let's repeat the process here. 45. 55 is next. And then we're on to the 65. And then the 75. And finally the 85. There we go. Oop, slipped on me there. And there we go. Okay, now down at the bottom, you can see down here we have a distance of radius 30 for a semicircle here and a radius 40, and then we have a little handle to put on it. It has a width of 10, which means from the middle we go 5 to the left and 5 to the right, and then from here it's 20 down. So from the bottom I'm going to do a vertical line down. I'm going to do a line down, and then I'm going to get 30 on my compass. From this point here, I'm going to do a semicircle all the way around, radius 30. And I'll have to extend this out a little bit to the left and the right. And then I'm going to get 40 on my compass. From here to here is 40. And using the same center point, going 40 on the compass. Okay, and in regards to completing it then, from this point right here, it goes down another 20 millimeters. Down 20. Now that I've got that near the bottom, I'll do a line left and right like that, and from there, because it's 10 wide, I'm going to go 5 to the left, 5 to the right, and go up and up. And there you go guys, that there is your logo done. Obviously you'd have to heavy in the details as best you can, but that's essentially the logo done. Hope you found it helpful.